Medical text. The child in the admission room on page 103, questions and answers and exercises. Hello and welcome to your English lesson. Today in our medical textbook on page 104, we do the questions about the lesson on a child in the admission room. There are 6 questions, so let's begin. Question number 1. Why should a child be admitted to a hospital? Answer. A child needs to be admitted to a hospital because the child needs hospital care and skilled treatments which the parent cannot give even under the supervision of a nurse. Question number 2. How does the child feel in that situation? Answer. The child is sick and feels frightened in this situation because it is old enough to know that it must stay there without the parent. Question number 3. What could help the child feel better? The child can feel better if the nurse introduces herself and speaks to the child. The child should feel welcome and amusement be provided like a toy. A friendly atmosphere will make the child feel at home. Question number 4. What if the nurse doesn't like her patient's look? Answer. The nurse should accept the parent and child as they are. Question number 5. How can tension be reduced? Answer. Relaxation reduces tension and increases receptivity to suggestions, teachings, and explanations. And the last question. Question number 6. What can make their cooperation more satisfactory? Answer. The acceptance of the parent and child as they are is the first step to a realistic approach to satisfactory cooperation. Right, that ends the questions, comprehension questions, and now we move on to the next exercise. It says here, underline the synonyms or the most similar words in the column on the right. And the words are skilled, supervise, health, to provide, accustomed, and increase. So let's begin. Skilled, and we have the following words: dried, trained, kidded. So if we look at these words, the synonym would be trained. Skilled, trained. Next word, supervise. Be very wise, control, survive. Supervise is control. Health. Softness, helmet, fitness. So health is fitness. Next word, to provide, to promise, to supply, for pride. To provide is to supply. Next word. Accustomed. Too costly, being usual, being in a costume. Accustomed is being usual. Next word. Increase. Become risky, not being creative, make bigger. Increase is make bigger. Okay, that ends our exercises on page 103. If you have any questions or comments, please leave these questions and comments beneath the video, and I'll get back to them as soon as possible. All right, so that's the end of that, and goodbye.